Hello everyone. So in last video we have seen about the aggregate function. In this video we are going to see about the group by in a SQL. Okay, so suppose you have a requirement on which you have to find out the total salary of the employee based on each location. Okay, so in this case what actually we have to do, we have to do a sum of the salary and we have to group based on the location. Okay, suppose you have requirement, you have to find out the maximum salary of the employee based on each location, on which particular location people are getting more salary. So in this kind of the scenario we have to do a grouping based on the location to find out the salary, right? So in this case generally we do a group by means we are doing a grouping based on the certain scenario, and this we generally often use with the aggregate function only. Okay, we have some question based on that. Actually we'll try to see how actually we can use a group by. Okay, suppose I have to find out the total salary based on each location. How actually I can write a query for that? Select sum of salary. Sum of salary means total salary, right? Now I have to write based on each location. So what I will write, comma location. Okay, from employee table. Okay, and I will write group by and the location. We want to do a grouping based on the location, right? So I will write group by location. Now if I will execute, you can see based on the India what is the total salary, this much. For the UK what is the total salary, for the USA what is the total salary. Okay, it's very simple, right? Sum of the salary, that is aggregate function we already seen. Now we are looking into the group by, right? So what actually we have to do, we have to find out the total salary based on each location. So I have written sum of the salary comma location. I'm doing a group by location. Okay, now similarly suppose if I have to find out maximum salary based on each post. So if I will show you the my table. Okay, in my table I have one post column. In this post it is a SSE, SE, SD. These are the different post is there. Based on each post I want to find out on which particular post people are getting more salary. Okay, so what actually I can write, select maximum salary. Salary is a column, right? So I'm writing maximum salary and the column name is post. Based on the post actually I want to find the maximum salary from employee table, and I have to write group by, and after that I have to write group by post. Okay, now if I will execute this will tell me, you can see SD the maximum salary is this much, for SE maximum salary is this much, for SSE maximum salary is this much. Okay, similarly if I have to find out the minimum salary based on each post, what I will write, the same, instead of max I will write the min. So this will tell me what is the minimum salary based on each post. You can see for the SD minimum salary is this much, for SE minimum salary is this much, for SSE minimum salary is this much. Okay, now another question is find out the maximum salary based on each location. Okay, so this is similar only. We want to find out the maximum salary based on each location. So if I have to find out the based on the location, so what I will do a grouping based on the location. Okay, and I will write the group by location. I will get the output. Okay, now if anyone is saying like to find total salary based on each location and post. Okay, in this case what actually we have to do, we have to do a grouping based on the location and post, right? And the sum of the salary. So what I will write, sum of the salary. Okay, based on the location also and based on the post also I have to do a grouping. Okay, from employee group by location and post. Okay, so multiple location based on the grouping also we can do. If I'll execute, you can say India and SD, based on this grouping we have a total salary of this. Based on the India and SE, this grouping we have this much salary. Based on the USA SE we have this much salary. Based on the UK and SSE post we have this much grouping. Okay, yeah, that's how actually we do. Yeah, I hope you got it, the group by.